what's up guys, it's Viper and today we're gonna play a little bit Flappy Birds, also known as Flappy Retarded Bird. So I hope you guys like it, subscribe to show your support, and let's begin. Okay, Retarded Bird, come on, let's go. Oh, come on chicken, why the noise in the background? You did not see I'm recording? Oh, Flappy, I'm sorry for calling you retarded, just let me live. I promise not to call you retarded. Oh, come on, you retarded bird! I had to say it. You were so retarded. Oh. Bird going good. Got a mutual relationship going right here. Me and Flappy going very fine. Flappy, please. Come on. Oh my god, Flappy. Yes. So I say me and Flappy make a good relationship. A good relationship. Also, guys, check out my friend Vonnom. Oh my god, I shouldn't have said that. Okay, guys, check out my friend Vonnom over on YouTube. I'll leave a link of his channel in the description. He's an awesome gamer. He plays Minecraft a lot. So if you guys could slap the like button on his videos, he's awesome too. So, guys, let's continue one more time. Flappy. If we make 14, I will possibly marry you. I'm not lying, Flappy. Come on. I know you're not a retarded bird. Oh my god! No, you're a retarded bird. No, you're retarded. I quit. No, I quit. Dang it, you stupid bird. Ugh.